Struggling with your Ford F150's 4WD system? Let's get it sorted. First things first, check the basics. Is your vehicle actually in 4WD mode? Sometimes it's as simple as a switch on the dash. Make sure it's engaged. Next, inspect the 4WD fuse. Your owner's manual will show you where it is. Replace it if it's blown. Still no luck? Time to get under the hood. Look for any disconnected or damaged wiring around the transfer case and front axle. Fix or replace as needed. Another culprit could be the 4WD actuator. These can fail over time. Listen for any unusual noises when you try to engage 4WD. If it sounds off, it might need replacing. If everything seems intact, it might be an issue with the 4WD computer module. This is more technical and might require a professional scan tool to diagnose. For those with a vacuum-operated system, check for vacuum leaks. These can prevent the system from engaging properly. Listen for hissing sounds and inspect vacuum lines for cracks or disconnections. Remember, regular maintenance is key. Keep your transfer case fluid clean and at the right level. When in doubt, consult a professional mechanic. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix more complex issues. So there you have it, a quick troubleshooting guide for your Ford F150 4WD system. Happy driving and stay safe out there.